everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's a very rainy day in Miami today. Let me show you. It has been raining non-stop for this week, last week, but it's fine. Oh my goodness, look how flooded these streets are. Well, that didn't really show much. And the canal is so full. I'm just shocked at how much rain we're getting. But anyways, we are going to our weekly grocery trip to Publix. And yeah, I'm gonna do some groceries. And it's actually like what, 7 o'clock? I'm starting this vlog at 7 p.m. I thought I would do just a little night vlog. This Publix is so empty right now. Yes. I love Publix. Before quarantine, we would come to Publix maybe like 3 times a week. No lie. Let us go. Look at the rainbow. How pretty. We got Thor a new bed, finally. He destroys all of his beds, so I'm hoping this one will last a little longer. We got like an army color green bed, so I'm hoping the color is how it looked on the site. He's very curious. Well, that's really green.
That's the one thing.
It's just like
Hello.
really green.
Oh, it's big.
This matches nothing in our house, but
It's big.
good. He needs a huge bed because he's a huge dog. Here's your bed. Yay! Now we can cuddle. Now we can cuddle, my love. We can cuddle. He's a fan. I'm so picky when it comes to dog beds because Thor sheds so much, so it has to be a certain fabric. So this fabric is like, how would you explain this fabric? Like jeanish kind of material. Like his fur, yeah, like it's waterproof. Like, I don't know, it has like a jean material, so his fur just slides right off, and it's just easy to vacuum. So love that. You like it? You like your new bed? You're gonna make it last this time? You're not gonna eat it? You're not gonna chew it up? Oh my goodness. I love you. I love you. Okay, I'm in the mood for a healthy snack, so I'm gonna show you what I'm about to make. I feel like all my videos have food in them, and I just like food. Hopefully this guy likes it, because he's a very picky eater. Let's do it. Okay, for this recipe, you need 1/2 cup coconut oil, 1/2 cup of creamy peanut butter, and just mix it in until combined. Okay, and then I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. It's less sugar than you would put in a regular batch of cookies, so it's somewhat healthier. And then 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Need 1/4 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 cups of instant oats. And then Mix it all together. Here's how this is looking. Yeah. Now I'm just taking spoonfuls and putting them on this. I keep forgetting to buy parchment paper, so just putting it directly on here. And then I'm gonna let this sit in the fridge for about 15 minutes so it sets and they're ready to eat. Didn't even have to use the oven. That easy. Delicious. Okay, this looks a little messy and a little weird, but I promise it tastes good. It's been a little over 15 minutes. They sat in the fridge and they are ready. Wow.
That is really, really good. It's like the perfect balance between the peanut butter, the coconut oil, the cocoa powder. Oh, so good. Can you see that? It's delicious.
Just finished watching a movie with my mom, who, by the way, is staying with us here in Miami for a few days, and I couldn't be happier. I missed her so much. I think it's been like 3 months since I last saw her, so I'm so happy that she's here with us for a few days. But anyways, we were watching the movie Hustle with Rebel Wilson and Anne Hathaway, and we absolutely enjoyed it. We laughed. It was a good time, but it's now time for bed, so I'm about to get started on my whole skin care stuff and thought I would take you through it. So first, I made myself some sleepy time tea. Yum. Now, I'm gonna take off my makeup. This is what I use to take off my makeup. It's the Cetaphil Gentle Oil-Free Makeup Remover, and I'm using the reusable cotton pads. I like using this stuff as opposed to makeup wipes because I feel like it's just more gentle on my skin. I'm going to wash my face now with the Beauty Counter Pure Calm Cleansing Milk. I love this stuff. It is so gentle. Obviously, I love gentle stuff on my face because I have very sensitive skin. I'm very prone to like breakouts on my face. Oh, I should have put my hair up. Why do I do this? I love that stuff so much. Okay, now that my skin is cleansed, I'm gonna go in with some toner. I'm using the Dickinson's Enhanced Witch Hazel. I normally use the, what's it called? The Thayer's Witch Hazel brand, but I wanted to try something different. I'm getting sleepy already. Next, I'm going in with some Fresh Vitamin Nectar Serum. This stuff smells so good. I love giving myself lymphatic drainage massages. I had surgery on my neck last year, and to this day, I still get some swelling here and there. So these lymphatic drainage massages just helps with the swelling, and it really feels good. Now I'm gonna moisturize my face with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. This eye cream is so thick, but I really love it. Only thing I don't like about it is that it's not an anti-wrinkle, anti-aging eye cream. I didn't even mention the name. It's the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment. Alright guys, so that's it for today's little nighttime vlog. It was a quick one, but I hope you enjoyed it. Regardless, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, good night.